Gentlemen, take a moment and be completely honest with yourself. Do your mornings feel a little foggy? Do headlights have halos at night? Maybe reading a menu or the morning newspaper feels harder than it should. Here's the truth most people don't realize. The proteins inside your lenses were made before you were born, and they have to last your whole life. That's right. The very fibers that let you see clearly, drive safely at night, and enjoy your favorite book are essentially the same ones from day one. Over decades, light, oxidation, poor nutrition, and simple aging slowly damage them. Proteins start clumping together, the lens loses clarity, and before you know it, someone tells you it's just age-related. But here's the exciting part. Your eyes have protective systems, and specific nutrients can help defend and even partially restore them. And today, I'm going to reveal 6 seeds that feed that system, ranked from least to most effective, so you know exactly which one is the secret weapon. Before we jump in, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me if you're watching this in the morning or at night and where in the world you're tuning in from. I love hearing from you, and it helps other men get this life-changing information. Now, the big myth, eat carrots and your eyes will be fine. Yes, carrots are healthy, but your lens has no blood supply. That means nutrients from food must pass through a self-contained chemical system powered by glutathione, your lens' natural antioxidant. As you age, the core of the lens loses glutathione, leaving the proteins vulnerable. So even a diet full of carrots won't directly protect the lens. You need specific compounds, and the right seeds are the most effective. Number 6, sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in zinc, copper, and vitamin E, critical for your retina and lens. Zinc activates enzymes that help pull vitamin A from your liver, and vitamin E protects lens proteins from oxidative stress. But there's a catch. Raw sesame seeds contain phytic acid, which blocks absorption. Fix it by dry roasting for 3 minutes. Suddenly, all those nutrients become available, feeding your eyes daily. Number 5, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain lutein and zeaxanthin, the compounds that naturally accumulate in the macula. They act like sunscreen, protecting the retina from light damage and oxidative stress. Soak overnight in water with a squeeze of lemon to reduce phytic acid, ensuring your eyes actually absorb the nutrients. Number 4, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are loaded with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in the optimal 3-to-1 ratio, which helps calm inflammation in retinal tissue. Chronic inflammation is a silent driver of dry eye, blurry vision, and age-related damage. Just 2 tablespoons a day in your morning routine can reduce oxidative stress and protect retinal health. These first 3 seeds lay the foundation. They protect your eyes and reduce ongoing stress, but the next seeds do something even more powerful, regenerating lens chemistry. Number 3, chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with ALA, which your body converts into DHA, a critical fatty acid for retinal health. The outer shell is hard to digest, so grind them fresh before eating and pair with a healthy fat like avocado or coconut oil. This ensures DHA nourishes your eyes at the cellular level. Number 2, flax seeds with avocado. Flax seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid more per gram than most plant sources. Paired with avocado, rich in oleic acid, absorption skyrockets. The combination helps your eye cells take up fat-soluble antioxidants and slows protein clumping in the lens. Grind fresh, mix with half an avocado, and consume immediately. Number 1, sunflower seeds with avocado and lemon juice. Sunflower seeds are loaded with vitamin E, which sits inside lens fiber membranes and intercepts oxidative damage. Avocado ensures absorption, and lemon juice's vitamin C recycles the oxidized vitamin E, keeping it active for hours. This isn't just feeding your eyes, it's creating a self-regenerating antioxidant system that actively protects lens proteins from further damage. Here's a practical daily protocol. For your foundation, every morning take 1 ounce of raw, unsalted sunflower seeds with a quarter of a ripe avocado and the juice of half a lemon. Blend or mix and eat each morning. For your omega-3 layer, take 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds or freshly ground chia seeds daily. For a deep layer, 3 to 4 mornings per week, take 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax seeds with the remaining half avocado. For macular maintenance, soak pumpkin seeds weekly. And as an optional snack, enjoy lightly roasted sesame seeds prepped to remove phytic acid. Mistakes to avoid: don't drink coffee or tea within 90 minutes of eating seeds, as tannins block minerals. Eat seeds in the morning for optimal absorption. And don't quit after 2 weeks. Lens protection takes 60 to 90 days to show effects. Small, consistent actions can slow or partially reverse protein clumping, keeping your vision sharper and more resilient. I know what it feels like to sense your vision slipping. Reading the morning paper takes extra effort. Driving at night becomes stressful. Faces and fine details feel blurry. It's not just a physical frustration, it chips away at independence, confidence, and daily enjoyment. But here's the truth. Age is not an expiration date for your vision. Small, consistent changes can protect your lens, preserve independence, and even restore clarity over time. Every day you take these seeds, grind them properly, and pair them with the right fats and vitamins, you're giving your eyes the tools to defend themselves against oxidative stress, light damage, and aging. Start today. Blend sunflower seeds, avocado, and lemon juice every morning. Add your omega-3 seeds, soak pumpkin seeds, lightly roast sesame seeds. Follow this routine for 60 to 90 days. Even subtle improvements are proof your lenses respond. Your vision doesn't have to decline quietly. It can thrive with proper care. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone you care about. It could protect their eyes too. Drop a comment. I'm starting this today so we can encourage each other. Remember, small daily actions compound into big results. Lens proteins can still last, vision can still stay sharp, and independence can remain yours well into your later years. I'm Dr. Jocelyn, with 5 years of experience helping seniors protect their health naturally. You're not too old to nourish your eyes. Your lenses can still last. Your vision can still thrive. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next video.